two drunk people being that close with each other.
There's the time that they are not control.
Yeah. And then now, I think they're okay. Pero I think mamaya, more...
First time kong nakita sa kanilang dalawa yun po, kuya. Kaya medyo nasyak ako doon sa nakita ko.
Ilang saglit pa ay muli nag-swimming ang dalawa.
What happened to them?
They understand more than I do. They're older than I am, and they have more experience, and they're a lot wiser than I am. We were all drinking pretty hard, me included. If it's okay with Andre, and it's okay with Lou, then I'm fine with it.
First time nila yun nangyari dito.
It's my first time. It's okay.